Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. This is day 14 and we are learning yoga from zero, from basics. If you are new, start from day 1 video, and if you want to join my live online sessions which runs 7 to 8 a.m. IST, contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, let's begin the session now. Keep your feet together, head straight, eyes open, focus on your throat, breathe deep and loud. Now move your head side to side, breathing normal, natural. Now move your head up and down. Now start rotating the head, one clockwise movement, one anti-clockwise movement. Complete at least 5 rotations. One clockwise, one anti-clockwise is one rotation. Now, clench your fist, protrude your mouth forward, suck in the air with the hissing sound slowly. Apply chin lock and vigorously move your shoulders up and down. This is to release the tension from the shoulders. The moment you feel, okay, he's here to make me laugh. Okay, let's do this again. Clench your fist, protrude your mouth forward. Start sucking in the air through your mouth slowly with the hissing sound. Fill the air in the mouth, apply chin lock and vigorously move your shoulders up and down. See how long you are able to retain the breath. The moment you feel you are not comfortable holding the breath, you will bring the head in the center and remember you have to exhale through your nostrils. Good. Next. Clench your fist, deep inhale, hold the breath and rotate your arm in the forward direction for as long as is comfortable. The moment you feel you are not comfortable holding the breath, bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale, extend your arms forward. Retention till the point you are comfortable. Now repeat the same thing in the reverse direction. Clench your fist, deep inhale, hold the breath and retaining the breath inside, rotate this time in the backward direction. Retention of the breath till the point you are comfortable. The moment you feel I am no more comfortable now, bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale with the force. Okay. Now, as you inhale, move your arms up, bend back from the upper body, exhale, return. Inhale, bend back, exhale, return. Now clench your fist with the right hand, hold it back with the left, keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, eyes open, inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Continue. Now, switch your arms, clench fist with the left, hold it with the right and repeat. Relax. Next, keep your feet together, arms opening sideways. Deep inhale in the center, exhale on the side. Inhale center, exhale other side. Inhale center, exhale side. Inhale center, exhale side. Continue. Next, open your legs, shoulder level distance. Extend your arms forward, fingers together. Twist back, gazing at the thumb of the back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Relax. Now inhale, arms and legs open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Next, in the next practice, keep your feet together, extend your arms forward, inhale, exhale, bend down, hold the breath, hold the position till the point you are comfortable. Once you feel the urge to breathe in, slowly stand up. Again, inhale, exhale, down, hold. We are going to do it 3 rounds. So this is the second one. Exhalation and holding till the point you are comfortable. Inhale up, exhale again down, hold, hold the position, holding the breath. The moment you feel the urge to breathe in, come up, release. Next. Now balance with one foot, lift the other one up and rotate. Rotate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Breathing normal, natural. Now other side 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Down. Feet together with every count, lift your heels up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Next is Sarvang Pushti. For Sarvang Pushti, which I taught you in the previous session, open your legs wide and comfortable, clench your fist, take your arms up. Left arm should be in front, right arm back, crisscross. Inhale, pull your body up, twist back, retaining the breath. Exhale, down on the left, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale down, 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 switch arms. Continue. Inhale up, twist back, exhale down, switch arms, inhale up in the center, exhale, release on the sides. Next is Engine Dod. It's a new practice which I am going to teach today, and it is very important to increase your stamina, energy level, reduce the extra fat from the body. This one is very important. Engine Dod. Clench your fist. One arm will be extended forward, other one will be held close to the chest, opposite leg will be folding back. Every time you extend your arm forward, you are going to exhale. Exhale, 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 exhale. This is how you are going to maintain the flow. This is how you are going to slowly start. Keep running with small steps in this manner in the same position first. Exhale, 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 exhale. Relax. Go hand to feet. Slow down your breath. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. During this time, also remember, breathe in and out through your nostrils only. Relax in Shavasana with your legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line. Arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky, body in the state of relaxation. Allow your whole body to relax. Engine Dod is a yogic cardio. After the practice, your breath rate, your heart rate will increase. Your heart will be beating faster. You will need more time to relax than other practices. Just relax. Give yourself time. No need to start belly breathing, chest breathing, or deep breathing. Just relax. Allow your whole body to become loose. Give a good rest to your body. If you are newly start practicing exercises, you have never done the physical practice before, you will take around 5 minutes or more to relax your body. Keep relaxing. Do not hurry at all. Let your body relax. Let your breath slow down. Take your time. Keep relaxing. When you feel the whole body is relaxed enough, which will take around 5 minutes, then only sit up. With this, I conclude today's session. Hope you are enjoying it. Let me know how you are feeling. And I will see you in the next session tomorrow. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe. If you're liking these videos, do give me a thumbs up. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.